Hi Simbas, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is again the Korean alphabet part 5 and today's consonant is Miem. I don't want to waste your time, so if you're learning Korean right now, subscribe to this channel and let's get into this video. Okay, how do we write Miem? So, all you need to know is the first consonant. Do you remember the first consonant was 기역? From left to right and then down. That's 기역. And now for Miem, we start with this line from up to down. Then second, we will write the 기역. And the third stroke is close the window. Boop. Okay, step number 1, go from up to down. Then write the 기역. And then close the window from left to right, okay? Once again, stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. One more time, a bit faster. Boop, boop, boop. The pronunciation of Miem. So what does the romanization say? The romanization says Miem is M. Korean Billy says that the Miem is a bit softer than the English M. And Korean Billy is a great man. I believe him, so let's believe Korean Billy. He says the Miem is softer than the English M. So in English we do ma. But in Korean we don't do the we just say mama, mama. So that's why he says it is softer. Now I want you to close your eyes. I will tell you a story. Close your eyes. So you are in South Korea. You are in Hongdae. And you are at a party. And you are having fun with a Korean guy. You talk a lot and all of a sudden he asks you, "Hey, 라면 먹고 갈래? Do you want to eat ramen at my place?" And you answer, "미안해. 나 만두 먹고 싶어." Sorry, I want to eat dumplings. I don't want to eat ramen. I want to eat dumplings. Now you can open your eyes, okay? So, we have 3 words with Miem. The first one is 미안해. 미안해 means I'm sorry. What did you say next? 미안해. 나 means me. 만두. Mandu means dumplings. Who doesn't like mandu? Dumplings are so tasty. Mandu means dumplings. And the third one was said, 미안해. 나 만두 먹고 싶어. 먹고 싶어 means I want to eat that. Okay, now you learned 3 words with Miem. Let's practice these words. 미안해. 미안해. Next word. 만두. Dumplings. 만두. And the last one. 먹고 싶어. 먹고 싶어. And now let's form a sentence. 미안해. 나 만두 먹고 싶어. So the next time you are in Korea and there's a Korean boy who's annoying you and he is really strange and creepy and says, 야, 우리 집에서 할래? Then you just say, 아니, 미안해. 나 만두 먹고 싶어. And then he will say like, 알겠어. I don't know what to do anymore. Okay guys, that's it for today. So let's do a quick recap. Today's consonant was Miem. And how do you write it? Like this. Up to down, then you write 기역, and then close the window. Once again, 뿅, 뿅, and 뿅. And then we have 3 words. Remember the guy in Hongdae? You said 미안해. 만두 먹고 싶어. Whole sentence. 미안해. 나 만두 먹고 싶어. Thank you guys for learning with me. See you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next time.